I'm Jennifer, and I'm so glad you're here because my husband Alan and I are putting together a barbecue tonight for friends. We're making some pulled pork on the smoker grill and potatoes, and we're going to put the pork on the buttery potatoes with cheese sauce. It's going to be so delicious, and we're having 5 guests over. We're going to have a wonderful evening, and I'm making some very special things for dinner tonight. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm making some very special beans for the barbecue as well. I've got those cooking in the oven and they smell so delicious. I'm going to get busy setting the table before our guests arrive. I'm so glad you're here. Let me show you how much fun we had putting this meal together to share with friends. We are getting ready to make a wonderful, delicious Texas pie. We have so many great ingredients here, and we're going to put all of these together and get this pie in the oven. We have chocolate chips, little caramel bits, chopped pecans, wonderful little toffee pieces, pretzels, sweetened condensed milk. Here are all of the wonderful tasty things for our pie. Now we'll add the sweetened condensed milk. And just like that, our pie crust is ready to go. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and now let's get our sweetened condensed milk added in. Just start folding everything in. Everything is completely mixed together and coated in the wonderful sweetened condensed milk that'll hold everything together. Now it's time to fill the pie crust with this wonderful, delicious mixture. I've pressed out the filling and got it as even as I could, and now it's time to get this to the oven. We are going to put our pie in the oven and bake it for 35 minutes until it's set. After 35 minutes, our pie is out of the oven. It's nice and set and ready to cool. We'll let it cool at least 30 minutes before cutting and serving. Alan just took the pork off of the smoker grill. He put it on yesterday and it smoked all night. He got up a couple times in the night to check on it and put some juice on top of it. It smells incredible. I have my potatoes in the oven and the beans are getting hot. My cheese dip to go on the potatoes is in the slow cooker heating up. Alan is shredding up the pork for our baked potatoes. The pulled pork is here in the slow cooker and is nice and warm, ready for the potatoes. We had plenty extra pulled pork that we put in freezer bags that we'll be putting in our freezer for future meals. The table is all set and we're ready for our guests. I cannot wait to serve this wonderful meal this evening. We have our wonderful Texas pie ready for dessert. I have the potatoes here in the slow cooker staying nice and warm. They're fresh out of the oven. We'll use this for the butter that we're going to pour on the potatoes. I have all my serving utensils out and ready, and of course there's the pulled pork. The beans are out of the oven. They look so good and smell amazing. I've made some super easy 4-ingredient homemade bread, and that'll be in another video. But it is so delicious, so easy. It only takes minutes to put together, and it is so good. And here's the fresh homemade bread ready to slice. And the cheese sauce is ready for the potatoes. We're all ready for our guests. Our friends just went home from the barbecue. We had such a wonderful time. Everybody really enjoyed the homemade pie that I made. It was so good, and the barbecue was absolutely delicious on the wonderful baked potatoes with the beans and the homemade bread. I'm so glad you were here. I wish you could all come over and join us for a great big barbecue. I really appreciate you being here so much, and I would be super happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.